Joel here with Bodycam Breakdown TV. Today's footage comes from police activity. If you want to watch the original video without my commentary or breakdown, I'll have the full footage linked below so you can watch it start to finish. What begins as a vehicle theft investigation quickly turns into a multi-city crime spree involving robberies across several jurisdictions. Watch how officers begin piecing everything together as the suspect move from one serious incident to the next, forcing multiple agencies into a fast-moving search that keeps escalating with every new call that comes in. The breakdown starts now.
You're going to begin at 1196 with them right now. Shots fired, shots fired. Code 3 fill, code 3 fill.
From the air, you can see the moment he gets inside that patrol vehicle. And right here, you can feel the situation starting to slip out of control as deputies suddenly realize this stop is far from over.
He's trying to carjack another vehicle. Oh! Shots fired, shots fired. One of your officers,
Copy, shots fired.
Watch your crossfire is going to be the Julian off.
Now we're seeing this from the officer's perspective. And once you get down to ground level, you really start to understand how fast this entire situation was unfolding around them.
Another vehicle.
From this officer's perspective, you can really see how little time there is to react once the situation starts unfolding in front of him, and within seconds, the pressure on everyone at the scene reaches another level. Now we're seeing the same incident from another officer's perspective. And this angle really shows how differently these moments unfold depending on where officers are positioned during the chaos.
Crossfire, ceasefire! Ceasefire! Hey, line of fire this way! Line of fire this way! Don't move! Don't fucking move! Don't fucking move! Don't fucking move!
Now we're about to get another angle of the scene, and this view gives a much clearer look at just how quickly everything started unraveling for officers on the ground.
Hey, get out, get out, get out! Stop moving! Get down, get down! Hold, hold! All right, hey. Hold! Hey, push up that white car! Copy, push it up! Hold, watch crossfire! Shift to that car! Shift it! Fire's pushing up. Copy.
The confrontation ultimately came to an end after the suspect was struck during the encounter, bringing the fast-moving situation to a stop. Investigators later stated that a handgun equipped with an extended magazine was recovered at the scene, and authorities identified the suspect as Muhammad Hussein after he was pronounced dead on scene. Officials also confirmed that the injured sergeant was transported for medical treatment and later released. In situations like this, you can see how quickly officers are forced to make split-second decisions once a pursuit turns unpredictable and control starts breaking down in multiple directions at once. How do you think this situation unfolded once the pressure reached its peak? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up this breakdown. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Bodycam Breakdown TV, and share this with someone who enjoys real-world police footage and analysis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next breakdown.